What is going on YouTube? It's your favorite Sheepy, and today I'm gonna show you how to Photoshop some good ass thumbnails. Boy, I've been asking like, how do you do your Photoshop? Yeah, like these, like they're really simple. I mean, they're kind of clean, kind of sloppy. It depends on what you really want. My channel really has no art direction, but everything's like bolded. You know, you could just screams, click me. So yeah, let's begin. So what you want to do is open your Photoshop. That's big, I'm retarded. Alright, and what you want to do now is just click on File, New, and just, I have a little custom right there, but what you want to set it at is 920 times 1080p. This is the standard. Yeah, I'm gonna rename it thumbnail. This is the standard quality for like YouTube thumbnails. This is full HD. So yeah, 72 resolution, because you know you just want that resolution. RGB color should be at RGB color. 32-bit, don't go lower because it won't go as much. And I like to keep it transparent. You could do white or black, whatever, but I like transparent just to, like, you know, put a like color gradient or whatever on it. So you're gonna pop up with this page, and you obviously, if you're like me, you're like, what do I do? How do I put pictures? Or help me. So all you wanna do is go to Google and look at PNG images. Let's do this skull, I guess, and then this hair. So all you wanna do really is go to your images, boom. Just, oh, what do I do? You can move it around however you like. Right now doesn't really matter. I don't even know what thumbnail I'm making, but or what video this is. So this basically means it's in the middle. Boop, middle. So you want to do is click this, and it'll say place, do not place, and you place, and boom, you can move it all around. It's on your thing now. There's lines to tell you that's the middle. And then let's bring more of these. Let's bring the hair. Boop. You can stretch that out however you want. It's a PNG, so oh my god, he's looking clean. Looking clean with the hairdo. Okay, so what you basically want to do is make sure your image mode is in 16 bits. Why? I don't even know. It just it helps you. Like if you want to crop the background of certain images, I'll show you how to do that too. So yeah, all you really want to do is you want a gradient, you go to this thing. Mine's set up different from yours, but like if you can't find it on this little thing, oh, what did I do? Yeah, if you can't find it on this, then just click the little 3 dots, which should be at the bottom right there, and go to where is it? Gradient tool. Yeah. So if you want a gradient, it's real easy. All you do is click on the gradient, and let's do like a blue greenish color, yeah, like that. And all I'm doing is clicking these little arrow things and just choosing a color. That's about it. Not doing much. So just click OK, and then what you want to do is, oh, rip. Alright, go to your gradients and create a new layer. Boom, done. So all you want to do is hold shift on your keyboard and just boop, boom, clean right there. Clean. Okay, this looks like pretty 3D-ish. I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah, let's add some grass and let's duplicate that grass. How'd you do that? Is Control plus J, then you just drag it again, boop, and then Control plus J, and yes, pretty much it. Look at that, it looks like grass or something. I don't even know what I'm making. If you want to make it like more polished, to combine all these grass layers, basically you click the top one, you hold shift, click the bottom, and then you right click and click merge layers. That's if you want like all of these put together. That's what I like to do. All I did is Control J to copy it, and I did Control T to move it. Just Control T. Okay, you guys are writing all this down. Okay, so basically I'm dragging it and then just right click, flip horizontal, and just center, I guess. If you want like the other tiger, I don't know. I like doing like centered pictures, I guess. That looks okay. If you always want to blur out the background, same thing. Just go to the little arrow, find your blur tool, and I'm gonna merge the lines right now. Yeah, all you want to do is blur the background. You just choose your size like this, and you just start doing some of these, and boom, it looks like out of focus, so your main thing is in focus. I think it's a pretty cool trick, but there's not much to making thumbnails. All you gotta do is make them look good from a distance. Yeah, and that's it. You guys want to add text, just click text tool, do this, and again you could just find these fonts online, any font you want. Just look up creepy font, or like Halloween font, or like Christmas font. I don't know, you can find all types of stuff on the internet. I like to put it white. This is your color changer, so anything you change, it'll go white. And then you just click skeleton. I don't know, that's what I'm gonna do. So these layers, the same as like any editing program. If you put them at the bottom, they'll show lower. If you put all the way at the top, they're like on top of each other. So if you put all the way at the top, boom, that's what you get. Let me do some of these. It looks like a pretty bad thumbnail, but you know, it don't matter. It just has to look good. Do your own style. I know people like to be super professional about like stuff, but yeah, I just like doing my own style, I guess. So this looks pretty bad. All you have to do is right click your text, and then go to blending options, go to styles. You could literally find styles anywhere. They're just like quick. See, they're like quick, how do you call it? Layer styles, basically. Boom, that looks decent. I mean, it won't look good from far away. See, it'll just be like, what? Oh, I don't know what I did. Yeah, but if you want to add like a little, this is what I basically do. I just put one on top of each other, and then add another style to it. That's pretty much what I do. You don't need to know much about Photoshop and stuff to make like good thumbnails. See, that looks okay, I guess. Just put that one behind that one, and then move this one a bit, and you get like a cool 3D effect. And people are like, whoa, what is this skeleton? Like, you just want to click it. It's basically a thumbnail. Look at that, you made a perfect thumbnail. You can add stuff too. Like, let's say you want to add fire, just look at PGNs. It's not that hard. People make this super complicated. I mean, it doesn't look professional, but at least it gets the job done, you know, and you can have fun with it. All I do is put it like that. Like, I just take a whole bunch of images and just clip them together, I guess. And this is pretty much thumbnail making. I don't think we need these clouds, but yeah, this is looking pretty good. Oh my god, I didn't even know. We get at a glow. So how you add glow is easy. You just go to the skull, blending options, and then you go to this effects thing, and you go to color overlay. No, not color overlay, sorry. You go to these effect things, and you go to outer glow, and you can literally make it whatever color you want. Boom. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah, and then yeah, that looks pretty nice. I would click on that. Okay, so you got like a image, and it has a background, and it's not a PGN. You can't find a PGN or whatever. You just, oh no, it's ruined. Oh no, what shall I ever do? It's real easy. All you ever gotta do is just click on image. Make sure you have the layer selected, this layer. All you do is click layer, smart objects, convert to smart object, and then you click layer again, and then you click rasterize smart object. So now after you do that, you could click this little wand thing, and you could click the background like that. You see how I selected some of the dog? All you gotta do is click quick selection. What you do is right click the wand and then go to quick selection tool, and you minus the dog. See, so you see how the outline is just around the dog. Then all you do is click delete. Boom, there's your dog. You want to get rid of the glowing lines or whatever, you just have to click the wand again, and then click the big circle, and it disappears, and there you go. There's your dog turned into a PGN. Woof woof. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty much all you need to know. I mean, there's other stuff. You don't need to know much about Photoshop to do Photoshop. Like, I never had any issues just learning by myself. So all you do now is click file, export as, and it doesn't matter. You could do hold on, you could do JPEG or PGN, whatever works for you. I like PGN, but sometimes the file's too big, so I would suggest JPEG as well. Just export all, you know, call it whatever you want, call it skeleton, and then save. Boom, done. Congratulations, that is a thumbnail. I'll see you guys in the next episode. If you guys want to learn anything, just comment down below and I will be gladly to teach you. Or like if you guys want me to talk about like how to overcome fear in front of like the camera, I could also give you tips, because I done all this like small YouTube channel stuff. I went through all that, like I was also boring and stuff, and now I'm just learning. So hopefully you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.
Do you even miss me at all?